Hi, 7th grader. This is Ms. Tracy. I have created this document for you so you can see all of your assignments for Tuesday, March 31st in one place instead of going through all the Google Classrooms. However, you may go through all the Google Classrooms separately if that's what works best for you. There is no right or wrong way to do this. We are all just figuring it out as we go. Please be patient with yourself and your teachers. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what you need to do for each class today, and then you can go ahead and get started. So for math, we're now learning about probability. We watched a Bill Nye yesterday about probability, and today, if you click on the link, Ms. DeBilzen will give you a short lecture on probability that you need to follow along with your math book. Okay? After that, you're going to practice what you've learned in IXL DD1, just for 10 minutes. For language arts, you're going to continue with the journal that you started yesterday for Ms. Rodriguez. I have created a separate document so you know which day you're working on. Today is day 2, and I believe you are reflecting on something you've watched recently, like a movie. Social studies, you're going to watch Ms. Harches's lecture on the Holocaust. This is just the introduction. You're talking about the Treaty of Versailles, which you hopefully watched the video on yesterday. And then you're going to complete this document. Day 2 of the document, not day 1. That was yesterday, Monday. So complete day 2. And then for science, Ms. Worley has a really short video, about 3 minutes, about the lab you're going to begin, about blood transfusion. Make sure you watch that and then only do day 1 of the lab report itself. You'll see it says day 1. Stop before it gets to day 2. This is just the background information part today. And look at that, that's it. That's all of Tuesday, March 31st for your core classes. Don't forget to check into your encore classes though and see what they have for you. I know you have Phi-Ed log you're supposed to be doing, and if you take a music, I know Ms. Nelson and Ms. Josephson have posted quite a few things you could be practicing. All right, as always, I'm here with questions. You can email me and I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Otherwise, your content classroom teachers are available as well. All right, good luck.